Hi, I'm Christy, and today I'm going to show you how to create a perfectly layered bed. Be sure to subscribe to the JCPenney channel so you can give every room in your space the update it deserves. So whenever you're on a vacation and you're staying at a hotel, everything just seems so luxurious, especially the bed. Well, all of those pillows and layers, they create this almost ultimate cozy spot that's impossible to leave. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a perfectly layered bed in your own home. Now, before we get started, we do need to establish some ground rules. Sizing of pillows and blankets are slightly different for a king, queen, or a twin bed. So in general, whenever you're making your sizes, you're going to size up for a king and you're gonna size down for a twin. But from here on out, the things I'm gonna be referring to in my tips are for a queen size bed. Do not underestimate the importance of duvet inserts. These are the key ingredient to making your layered bed the absolute fluffiest and most luxurious it can be. I recommend getting a king-size insert for your queen duvet because it makes the duvet really pop and it's just incredibly cozy. Not only do they transform your bed into a fluffy paradise, they also add a whole extra layer of warmth and are great for turning those chilly nights into cozy ones. One more tip, making a bed is always easier with another person. To start with, if you don't already have one, you're gonna wanna invest in either a mattress topper or a mattress pad. They go on top of your mattress and under your fitted sheet and come in all sorts of materials. Once that's settled, place the fitted sheet on top of it and really tuck the sheet in well and all around the mattress so the mattress topper doesn't wiggle around in your sleep. Next, place the top sheet on top of the fitted sheet. I'm a sucker for hospital corners, so that's how I'm going to apply my top sheet here. Pro tip, make the bed with the top sheet facing right side down so you can fold it over once the whole bed is made so the soft side is on your body. Do you prefer stripes? Solids? Floral? Let me know in the comments. After that, you want to put on your first blanket. The key is to make sure this first blanket is pretty flat so that it contrasts nicely with the duvet you're about to put on top of it. Remember the inserts. Once you've placed them in your duvet, you're ready to put your duvet on your bed. Fold it and the top sheet under it about halfway down the bed so that the bottom of the duvet is hitting just above the ground and the top of the duvet is in line with where you folded your top sheet. To finish out your blankets, add a throw to the bottom third of your bed. It's super easy to do this at JCPenney because you can buy multiple piece sets to achieve this look and save money. Start the pillow layering with 2 king shams at the headboard. The second layer is 2 standard pillows in front of these. For a fuller look, you can add a second set of standard pillows with the matching comforter pillowcases. From there, add 2 decorative accent pillows in front of your standard pillows. For full symmetry, I personally add an additional 1 pillow in front, either a statement pillow or a bolster pillow. It really ties the whole hotel but not a hotel vibe together. Now, doesn't this look just like a bed in a hotel? Click the next video.